Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today we're talking about how to clean and sanitize your infectious disease control face shields. This particular model is the IDC. That's the Snap System with the headgear design. This is designed to be easily disassembled and cleaned. We've tested it for 100 cycles of cleaning and sanitizing. So you have to assemble your materials for cleaning first. We have dish detergent, 2 soft cotton rags, and we have isopropyl alcohol at 91%, also called rubbing alcohol. So in our first step, we're going to disassemble the product. So we can undo the 2 snap fasteners on the side, no tools required. And under running water, we're going to rinse the product inside and out. Now I've dampened this rag already, and I'm adding a small amount of dish detergent, and I'll gently go over this with the dish detergent, including the edges, inside and out. The shield doesn't matter which way you have it when you mount it, so don't worry about getting it mixed up on which side faces out. Now rinse that. With your other cotton rag, pat it dry. Don't worry about getting all of the water off. And you notice I didn't cross-contaminate, so I was already had this product was cleaned. Set this to the side. Now, with the headband, if you take the pin lock adjustment open, this will facilitate cleaning. Same scenario. Rinse it. A little bit of detergent on a damp rag. Wash it. Rinse again. Pat dry. Now this is the cleaning step. The next step will be the sanitizing step. So for sanitizing, again, we're using isopropyl alcohol at 91%. It's a flammable material, so no open flame is allowed. Put the isopropyl alcohol on your cotton rag, and then wipe the product with the alcohol. We're not going to dry that. We're going to let the alcohol naturally evaporate, and that way it's in contact with the plastic longer and creates the sanitizing. Same thing with the face shield. Wipe this with the alcohol. Get all your edges and both surfaces. And again, we're going to just let this sit and dry on itself naturally. Now we want to put this back together. First step will be to reassemble the headband. The crown strap, bring it back to your position and it snaps into place. The nape strap, back to your position, snaps into place. Now we take the face shield, pop it over the snap fastener, and it'll snap into place on the 2 sides. Just set her down, let that thing dry out completely before use. By cleaning and sanitizing your product, you're able to extend the life of the product, maintain a healthy environment, and reuse it over and over and over again. Thank you.